I know from working with some of my clients, they've seen a big difference between when they're hiring, let's say, administrative staff, they use LinkedIn, they have a lot of success. But then they try to use LinkedIn or Indeed for the technicians, and it just doesn't seem to work. So, is there a difference between hiring more of a white collar side of the business than the blue collar? Like, what's going on there? Why is that happening?
Yeah, absolutely. Indeed, LinkedIn, they're phenomenal tools for the right job.
To hire a guy who doesn't work on computers with a computer, it makes no sense. You're trying to hire people who are never on computers using computer backend server technology. It's stupid.
It's a white collar platform.
Yeah, meet people where they are, right?
Yeah, that's better. If you want to go fishing, then hang out with a fisherman. Go to the fisherman's place. It doesn't make any sense. It was there artificially for a number of years, I feel, because people felt like they had no choice. They wanted to get a new job. Now they have a choice. They don't have to do it. They're not going to go back to these platforms because they don't need to.
So if you're going to recruit technicians, you need to go on mobile because that's where they spend their time, whether they're at the bar, hanging out with the kids, their wives, or with the buddies. On their spare time, they're on their telephone.
We know how to get in front of them with our technology and advertising, but if there's a city where all the mechanics live, buy a darn billboard. It would probably work. You got to go where they are. It's not rocket science what we're doing. It's fairly kind of basic. You get stuff in front of people where they live and work and play. If you don't do it, they don't even know who you are, what you're trying to do, what you're trying to accomplish. They don't know there's a job that might be perfect for them.